The Hurlingham Club is one of the finest private members clubs set on the banks of the River Thames here in Fulham, southwest London. Here at the club we've got 3 club car urbans on site. They're used by the maintenance team and the cleaning team. The maintenance team use the urban for transporting tools, materials, and sometimes furniture around the grounds. We also use the club car to go off-site to collect materials if need be from local suppliers. We've got 2 flatbed urban vehicles and we've got 1 with a closed back, which the cleaners use. One of our estate's club cars also has bull bars to protect from accidental damage, and it also has power steering for ease of handling. The fact that the vehicle can go out on the road is a very important benefit for the team. And on site the vehicles are very easy to navigate around the narrow pathways we have here in the grounds. They're also much quieter than traditional vehicles, ensuring a peaceful environment for our members. Crucially, they offer long-term savings because of the lower operational and maintenance costs. We've used club car utility vehicles for a number of years. We've always found them very reliable and easy to maintain. So when Club Car brought out the road legal all-electric version, it was a no-brainer for us. Through the year we have numerous large events here at the club, and we wouldn't be able to prepare and deliver them as efficiently without the Club Car Urbans. Overall, we're very happy with our Club Car Urbans. They've made a big difference to our operations here at the club.